Well, welcome back. And in this video, I want to go over a step-by-step process that hopefully you can use if you're concerned about testing positive for THC marijuana that can help you test positive for the shortest time frame possible. THC is one of those outlier drugs that can unfortunately be stored in body fat, and then you can test positive for it on a urinalysis specifically, potentially for months, where other drugs you can only test positive for a few days, maybe up to a week. So we want to bring that into parity. So that's what these steps hopefully will do. So the steps that I'm going to list, they are going to be an abbreviation of the full masterclass that we teach, that we have posted. You can check in the description if you want to see the full version of the masterclass. Again, this is an abbreviated version of those steps. So the first thing that you need to do, and I understand that this seems obvious, but you need to stop using THC marijuana. Whenever I say that in one of my videos, inevitably in the comments section, people go crazy on me saying, of course you have to stop using marijuana. That doesn't help at all. You know, those type of comments. But then I'll also get comments on other videos on, I used right up to the drug test. What can I take right now so that I can pass the drug test? So if you're going to continue to use, you are going to test positive. These steps will not work unless you have 4, maybe 5 days between the time you stop using and that actual drug test. So the first step obviously is not to use drugs, to stop using immediately as soon as you find out that you have to have a drug test coming up, or as soon as you find out that you're required to potentially have drug tests, to stop using. Give yourself some time. The next thing that you need to do is every single day drink at least 80 ounces of water. 80 ounces is the minimum. I don't want you chugging water right before you go in to take that drug test, because that can dilute your sample. What I want you to do is get your body used to having a larger volume of water. So 80 ounces is the minimum. This will keep your metabolism running. It will keep you metabolizing the THC into metabolites and then excreting it through your urine. And it will also allow you to, again, get accustomed to having a significant amount of hydration. You start at 80, but if you can go all the way up to about 1 ounce per body weight. So for instance, if you're 150 pounds, 150 would be the upper limit, but something in that range. Keep yourself hydrated, but do it every single day. Make sure you get 80 ounces in every single day leading up to that drug test, and don't chug a whole extra amount of water right before that official drug test. Again, that could cause a dilute sample. The very next thing that I want you to do is I want you to test yourself at home using home drug tests every single day leading up to that drug test. I've done a number of videos on here and as well in that masterclass on how to test yourself, the schedule to test yourself at home to give yourself the best information. But you want to do it daily, and you want to see that you're consistently passing before going in to take that official drug test. You need that information. You need that information to be able to make decisions, to be able to understand, am I potentially going to pass or not this drug test specifically for THC marijuana. So as soon as you find out you have a drug test, start testing yourself every single day. I will leave links to my preferred home drug test in the description of this video. Next, two substances, and basically only two that have any science, any data behind them that can help you clear marijuana THC from your system any quicker. Number one is zinc. Number two is anything that supports and helps your liver work optimally. Your liver is what your body uses to process THC and then turn it into metabolites. So if we can get that process moving quicker, you will detox faster. Again, we have a product that has both zinc and a whole bunch of liver supporting supplements all in one combined capsule. Again, I will leave a link to that product in the description of this video. Finally, please do not diet or start intensively exercising or sit in a sauna. All of those things that people think will help them sweat out or metabolize THC and get it out of their system quicker. Dieting, overloading on exercise, or saunas, those can all potentially make you more likely to test positive for THC marijuana. Again, I've done a number of videos on why that is. It's because marijuana is stored in body fat. So please don't do that. That is a big no-no leading up to that official drug test. And I even say, be real lazy and maybe overeat a little bit, get some extra calories to make sure that you're not metabolizing body fat. Because again, if you are metabolizing body fat, that can reintroduce old THC into your system, and then it shows up in that drug test, on that drug test, even if you've stopped using. All right, so that is the list step by step. If you follow those steps, that should give you the shortest testing window possible. I hope this was helpful and informative. Leave me any questions in the comments section of this video. Thanks to all the members of this channel. And until next time, everybody, stay safe.